Burglars will skip your house if you do this. 1. Basic goal. You do not need a perfect fortress. You only need to be harder and louder to enter than the house beside you. Burglars avoid resistance, time, and noise. 2. Reinforce the front door. Replace short strike plate and hinge screws with 3 to 4 in screws driven into wall studs. This transfers force into the frame instead of trim. The door becomes kick-resistant beyond the 3-minute break-in window. 3. Simple barricades. Angle a broomstick, dowel, or chair under the door handle. Force is redirected into the floor, slowing entry significantly. 4. Windows as delays. Grid duct tape across each ground floor window. Broken glass stays attached, becomes slower and loud to clear. Push heavy furniture against windows to add noise and blocked access. 5. Secure sliding doors. Place a cut 2x4 or stick into the track. Drill 1 angled pinhole and drop a bolt through both frames. Door cannot lift or slide quietly. 6. Lockdown garage access. Zip tie the release lever to stop hanger bypass tricks. Unplug the opener to force loud manual lifting. Park a vehicle inside as a physical barrier. 7. Psychological deterrents. Place large dog items. Bold toy chain sign. Set size. 13 work boots by the door. Leave talk radio on to imply presence. Use timed lights in random shifts. 8. Exterior barriers. Pour gravel under windows for unavoidable crunch noise. Plant thorn bushes along accessible areas. Stretch visible hoses or objects to force caution. 9. Interior safe room. Pick one room with a solid door. Reinforce hinges and strike plate as before. Keep phone, light, water, and secure protection tool. Use a family code word for immediate retreat. 10. Why it works. Burglars quit when entry exceeds 3 minutes. Noise risk rises. Uncertainty increases. Stack enough resistance and they move on.